Hello, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a great bird feeder with a log I found here in East Tennessee and a tasty bird suet. Let's get started. And now we will be making the bird feeder. To do this, you will need some safety glasses, a drill, a hook and a string, a miter saw, and a drill press. Let's get building. Before you use big tools like these, make sure you have adult supervision. I have my dad here today to help me out. Now we're going to put on our safety glasses. I'm going to grab on to here. And done. Now we have our drill to make the pilot hole in the log for our hook. Let's go. Done. We will now be drilling random holes into our log for the suet to go into. They will be about an inch deep, and because this is another big tool, my dad will be here to help me with the tool. Let's get started. Alright, here's the finished result. We will now be putting the hook into the log. Alrighty, here we go. Looks great. Now we've attached our string, let's go make a suet. And now we'll be making the bird suet for the bird feeder. To do this, you're going to need half a cup of flour, 3 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of crunchy peanut butter, 1 cup of lard, and finally 4 cups of bird feed. We're now going to pour them all in and mix them up. Now that we are done mixing the suet, we can now put it into the holes of the bird feeder. We will now be filling up the feeder with some suet. Let's go. Cool, now we're done, and you just need to find a place to hang it up.